How's it going, everybody? Today we are answering the question, does cyber insurance cover ransomware? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I am an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their cyber liability as well as their broader commercial insurance programs as a whole. I also work with families and individuals on their personal insurance, their home and auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make the right insurance decisions for yourself, your business, and your family. And overall, help answer any questions that you may have. So let's get into it. In short, yes, many cyber liability insurance policies do cover ransomware attacks. But what exactly is ransomware and what does the coverage for it look like? Ransomware is a type of malicious software that locks up your data or systems until you pay a ransom to the attackers. Imagine you are trying to access your company's files or data or just operate regularly in your system on a day-to-day basis, only to find that it is encrypted or held hostage. It is a very scary but increasingly common scenario in today's day and age, and unfortunately can happen to businesses of all sizes. But cyber liability insurance can help mitigate the financial impact of these ransomware events. And here's how. First is the actual ransom payments themselves. Some policies will cover the ransom payment, although this can be a complex and somewhat controversial part of this coverage. One of the reasons being is the way this payment can be processed, and it will say so in the policy. One is pay on behalf of, and one is reimbursement based. The type that you want as a policyholder is pay on behalf of, where the insurance company will pay the ransom on behalf of you versus reimbursing you for that expense. The second aspect is data recovery. Cyber insurance can help pay for the cost to restore your data and systems, whether that involves decryption or recovering data from backups. The third piece of this is business interruption. During a ransomware attack, your business operations will most likely be disrupted. Sales and revenue are going to go down. So the business interruption section of a cyber insurance policy can help with the lost income during that time period. And then last is the additional cost. This includes things like legal fees, the public relation efforts to manage any reputational damage that may have been done due to the attack, and also the cost of notifying any impacted clients or business partners, which can also be a very expensive cost. It is also important to understand that while cyber liability insurance is a great safety net, it does not prevent these attacks from happening. Having the right cybersecurity protocols for your business is absolutely critical to minimize the chance of these events actually occurring and the impact that they have when they do. And having cyber liability insurance is that safety net, is that financial protection if one of these events do occur. And last, make sure that you do review your policy annually. Or if you haven't reviewed it in quite some time, make sure that you do to ensure that you actually have coverage for ransomware on it. If you have a standard, standalone $1 million cyber liability insurance policy with a reputable carrier, the coverage is most likely there. But again, make sure that you check with your agent that this coverage is on the policy. So, thank you for watching. And if you're unsure about your current cyber liability coverage, curious about getting a policy in place, or just overall want to review what you currently have, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team could potentially help out. There are a lot of ways you can get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you like the video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions about insurance, about cyber insurance, insurance in general, please feel free to leave those questions in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.